Hello everyone, welcome to another video with me. As you can see, today's video starts in the car because I'm currently on my way to do one of my favorite activities during October in New York City. I did my hair and I put a little bit of makeup and I matched my outfit with the place that I'm on the way right now. Once I get there, I'll see you there. Keep watching. Today's video is going to be so much fun. Oh, lastly, my shades. Lorray, baby. You guys, we finally made it here. Now walking to the entrance. Thankfully the weather is so nice today, not too cold, no rain or anything. I'm so excited.
You want a big one? Do you want a small one?
There are many kids here, came with their parents to pumpkin pick, apple picking, and to see the animals. There are some cute ones, smaller ones like this, and some huge ones that I cannot pick up right now.
Do it again.
You picked the little one? I picked this pumpkin, the small one. So cute. This is the first time I see a cow in New York City. And they have some nice little chickens here.
Actually, I don't know. It's big, bro.
You want to do it too?
No.
Do it, try it.
Yeah.
Let me feed some. Big, hungry. Oh man. Woo!
Oh, he said, get out of here. That's mine. That might get the video.
Push it.
This is crazy. This is my first time feeding a goat.
It's his house.
Yeah. It's a weird feeling when they lick your hand. Somebody gave us some hay to feed them. You can actually buy them in the store by the entrance, but we completely forgot about it. So thankfully this lady hand me the pack of hay to feed the goats, and that was amazing. That was my first time actually feeding a goat, and I just like it. They just lick your hand with their little tongue. Oh, Let's see what else they have. Right now I have some sheep behind me, but they have some other animals too. Let's go. Hello. They don't pay no attention to me. This one right here, laying down, living his best life. I'm trying to catch some nice picture, but they just don't want to look at me. We are in the farmers market. This is the plant section where you can purchase different plants, and inside they have different things. Let me show you.
Now I need to go to the bathroom.
I've sold out donuts today.
Yeah, I know.
Man.
Cider donuts. They're
Oh my god.
in demand.
Wow, you still here?
Yes.
Wow.
Oh, I forgot I had.
Same deal, it's black, and then there's going to be the sugar and the
Yes. I think I still have the plants.
Okay.
Come, baby. They even have a station for honey making. I don't know if it's called a station, but that's what I just said. So inside all these boxes is full of honey and bees. I would have never thought seeing this kind of thing in New York City. You can see the corn maze behind me. There are some people in there right now trying to find their way out. But we got a little bit hungry, so we're gonna walk down there to try their delicious street tacos. Let's go. Here we are going to eat the tacos finally. They made a nice sitting area like this.
I didn't want to, so I'll put it on the side.
Yeah. We changed our mind to get the tacos, but we got quesadilla instead. Let's try it.
They're out.
We also got some honey sticks from the farmer's store. I'll try it now. I think this is the honey from the bees that I showed you before, earlier in the video. I'm gonna open it, just bite it.
Well, it's short.
It's not focusing. It's nice.
These are real.
the farm is about to close like in an hour, so we're just heading back home. All right, you guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching it. I had so much fun filming it with different animals and all the nice stuff in the farm today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and you can also leave some comments down below. This is my pumpkin. I'm gonna take it home with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I cannot even end it.